Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knowledge Kettle. Today we are going to revise important current affairs of 3rd and 4th of January. So if you know the answers, please match with me, and if you don't know, let's learn through this short video. But before moving forward, let's have a look to the homework I had given you in my last video. So there were only 5 questions and only Shubhankar sir gave answers of all questions correctly. So well done Shubhankar sir. So let's see what were the questions. Dibru-Sakhova National Park. So where it is located? It is located in Assam. And why it is in news? As Guwahati High Court stays exploration and drilling by oil, that is Oil India Limited. Second was Dulanga Coal Mine. Where it is located? It is located in Odisha. And why it is in news? As it become commercially operational now and it is declared by NTPC, that is National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. Next question is Sitavani Wildlife Reserve is in which state? So it is in Uttarakhand. And why it is in news? As Uttarakhand Tourism Minister Satpal Maharaj has written to Madhya Pradesh CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan requesting him to send white tigers cubs to Sitavani Wildlife Reserves. Next is Malayali tribes belongs to which state? So Malayali tribes belongs to Tamil Nadu. And last question was Pong Dang Lake is in which state? So it is in Himachal Pradesh. And why it is in news? Around 2,300 migratory birds have lost their lives. According to tests conducted, all the birds had avian influenza, that is bird flu, or you can say H5N1 virus. So these were the questions. So let's start with today's question. So the first question is the European Union signed an investment treaty with which country? So recently European Union signed an investment treaty with China. Which valley on the border of Manipur, Nagaland has recorded a massive wildfire? So the forest of Zuko Valley along Manipur Nagaland border have been burning for 10 days and about 10 square kilometer of rich oak forests have been razed. So the name of the valley is Zuko Valley. The carcass of a well-preserved Ice Age woolly rhino dated to be 20,000 years old has been found in which country? So first of all, if you are wondering about this word carcass, it means dead body of an animal. So this dead body of an animal is found in which country? A well-preserved Ice Age woolly rhino with many of its internal organs still intact has been recovered from permafrost in Russia's extreme north. So the name of the country is Russia. Name the country whose space agency has recently approved 2 sun exploration and Earth's aurora heliophysics mission. So recently NASA has announced that it has given approval to 2 sun exploration heliophysics mission to study the sun and relate them to the events taking place in the solar system. So the country is United States of America. The Ministry of Electronics and IT is set to impact assessment of Umang mobile application, and this Umang app is launched in which year? So what is the full form of Umang? That is Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance. Its aim is to provide government services on a single platform, and government wants to analyze why some people are not using this app. So this app is launched in 2017. Yes, 2017. Karnataka was seen in news recently for which typically found bat. So this bat became locally extinct in one of the 2 caves of Karnataka, and so Karnataka forest government is getting prepared to save leaf-nosed bat from extinction. So answer is leaf-nosed bat. So don't get confused in the options as they look like similar, but answer is second option, leaf-nosed bat. Bird flu has been found in crows in Rajasthan state. Name of the influenza is? So you have to give the name of this influenza, and if examiner asks you about the exact district of Rajasthan, then you give answer as Jhalawad district. So the name of the district is Jhalawad, which is situated in Rajasthan, and the name of the influenza is avian influenza. So the last option will be the answer, avian influenza. And please remember, this is the same influenza which was found in around 2300 birds found dead in Pong Dam Lake, which is situated in Himachal Pradesh. CSIR NIST, which has discovered an alternative technology to single-use plastics, is situated in, so answer is Kerala. On 1st January, DRDO, that is Defense Research Development Organization, which is established in 1958, celebrates its which Foundation Day? Please remember, you have to tell me the foundation day, which foundation day. So the DRDO celebrates its 63rd foundation day on 1st of January. Digital Payment Index launched by RBI set the base year. So the base year set by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is March 2018. March 2018 is the base year set by Reserve Bank of India. Umesh Sinha has been appointed as Deputy Election Commissioner. Who is the present Election Commissioner of India? Please remember, Umesh Sinha has been appointed as Deputy Election Commissioner, and I am asking you Election Commissioner of India. So present Election Commissioner of India, you can easily eliminate these options. So answer is Sunil Arora. Why Sunil Arora? Because Soma Mandal is a chairman, or you can say first woman chairman of SAIL, that is Steel Authority of India, and Shantanu Mohapatra was in news because he was an Odia musician who passed away recently. Sunit Sharma, he is a new chairman of or CEO of Railway Board. So answer is Sunil Arora. Which company will produce 12 patrol boats for Pangyong Lake in eastern Ladakh in association with Indian Army? So these patrol boats is used for surveillance and patrol of large water bodies, and the order was being placed for patrolling the Pangyong So Lake in Ladakh, one of the sites of the ongoing military standoff between India and China. So the company is Goa Shipyard Limited. Goa Shipyard Limited. In annual awards for excellence in implementation of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana in urban mission, the best performing state is. So the best performing state is Uttar Pradesh. So this Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is an initiative by the Government of India to provide every citizen with a house in rural as well as in urban areas. So in urban, the best performing state is UP. RuPay partnered with which bank to launch an innovative payment solution for Indian merchant RuPay POS, that is point of sale, in association with Pay Nearby. So the bank name is RBL Bank. So RBL, the full form of RBL is Ratnakar Bank Limited, headquartered in Mumbai. So RBL is the bank which partnered with RuPay to innovate what? RuPay POS in association with Pay Nearby. ADB, that is Asian Development Bank, and India has signed an agreement of dash loan to expand horticulture production in Himachal Pradesh. So to help finance piloting activities and design the capacity building for an ensuing project that aims to expand horticulture production and farms household income. So ADB and India has signed an agreement, and you have to tell the amount of agreement or loan, the amount of loan. So answer is $10 million. So these $10 million loan is to expand horticulture production in Himachal Pradesh. Michel Kindo recently passed away. He was associated with dash and he was from dash state. So there are two things which is very important about Michel Kindo. First of all, the game with which he was associated, and second thing, the state from he belongs to. So he was an Indian field hockey player from Odisha state. He was a member of the team that won the World Cup in 1975. So the game he was associated with was hockey, and he was from Odisha. So the answer is third option, hockey, Odisha. Tamil Nadu asking for GI tag for Kumban Paneer Thachai, which is a variety of dash. So what is GI tag? Geographical indication tag. And recently Tamil Nadu is asking for the geographical indication tag for its Kumban Paneer Thachai, which is a variety of, it's very simple, it's a variety of grapes. So please remember, it's a variety of grapes found in Tamil Nadu, Kumban Paneer Thachai. Asia's richest person according to Bloomberg Billionaire Index is. So please don't think about Mukesh Ambani, because Mukesh Ambani's position is replaced by Zhong Shan. So please remember, this is third option, Zhong Shan, which is who is from China and also known as lone wolf. So sometimes examiner can replace this name Zhong Shan by lone wolf, because Zhong Shan is also known as lone wolf in China. So he is the owner of company Nongpu Spring. So these are the names which are so funny, but we have no other option to learn it. And another option, that is fourth option, is Zhang Jingdong. So please don't confuse in option number 3 and 4, because the answer is Zhong Shan. So please remember, Asia's richest person according to Bloomberg Billionaire Index is Zhong Shan. And the last question is, who will be the chief guest for Republic Day, that is 26th January 2021 in India? So many of you thinking about Boris Johnson, because earlier British PM, that is British Prime Minister Boris Johnson, was the chief guest, but as you all well aware about this news, but due to the aggravated COVID-19 situation in UK, he will not be able to come, and so now South African President Cyril Ramaphosa will be the chief guest. So he was the only second South African to be the chief guest at the Republic Day event after former President Nelson Mandela, who came to India in 1995. So please make it correct. Answer is Cyril Ramaphosa. So the new chief guest who is coming for Republic Day is Cyril Ramaphosa, and he is president of South Africa. So that's all for today, but again I am leaving you with a homework. As you can see in your screen, there are 5 questions. You have to write down your answers in the comment box, and I hope you can easily do 2 to 3 questions without any problem. So that's all for today. We will meet you soon in our next video for sure. Till then, take care.